Hello learners, in this video Autocad tutorial part 11 teach you about layers. Let's get into AutoCAD. So before teaching layers, I would like to let you know about layers. So layers are nothing but set of components in different layers. See, in a building plan we will have windows, dimensions, doors, dimensions, furniture, sanitary ware. So sometimes we also use RCC detailing. So in order to decrease the visual complexity of your building plan, we will use layers. Now, firstly I will teach you about creating layers, after that properties of layers. So see here. For example, I want a diagram of circle, rectangle and in the form of layers. See, to create a layer, enter command LA, press enter. Now see here, click here, layer 1. I will give as rectangle. Again press, I will give as circle. I will give as pentagon or some more types, pentagon. See. So now I created my 3 layers, and we also have, see here, layer properties. You can turn on or off your layer. You can also freeze it. You can also lock your layer. You can change the color of the layer. Line type. I hope you know what is line type. And you can also change line weight. See, now set circle as your current layer. Change the color. I will go for blue, and also change the color of pentagon like red, and also rectangle. See here, rectangle, go for pink. Now again enter layer. See, now I am going to draw circle. Enter command circle. See, the color is changed. Now go for layer, change your current layer to pentagon. Okay. Now enter command polygon. Enter number of sides, 5. Specify your point. Somewhere around 5. See, we have here pentagon also. Now go for layer again. Take rectangle as current layer. Close this. Go for rectangle command. Specify first corner point, specify second. See here. So I have done with creating my required layers. Now I want to let you know about the uses of layers. So I am going to enter again LA. Now I don't want to disturb my circle when I am working with this rectangle and this pentagon. Go for layer and just lock your pentagon. Now see here, I have locked my pentagon. See, I can't select it. See, just select this one, press delete, it will not work. For example, press your circle, press delete, see, press Ctrl Z. So when you lock your property, when you lock your layer, you can't do any changes for that layer until and unless you have unlocked your layer. So again come to layers. Now you can also turn on or off your pentagon. See here. I hope you guys are listening. See. Just turn off your pentagon. come on, like that. You can also change your line type and line weight also. So guys, this is enough for right now. I will teach you very clearly again when I am going to draw entire building plan using AutoCAD. If my videos worth your time, do subscribe. This is Akbar, certified interior designer, signing off. Bye bye.